Hello, Sam Spinella, your real estate guy. In today's real estate market, the buzz is all about being such a great time to sell. Buyer demand is high, and there simply aren't enough homes available to buy in order to meet that growing need. This means now is the time to make a move so you can close the deal on your ideal terms. These ideal terms might be highest price and include a quick close, or maybe you're looking for a rent back. Even in today's strong seller's market, there are homeowners who are choosing not to sell due to ongoing concerns around the health crisis, financial uncertainty, and life in general. According to Zillow, 25% of people who would otherwise put their house on the market are not doing so because of COVID concerns. If you identify with this, you're not alone. Whether it's the future of your employment situation or simply uncomfortable having guests in your home for showings. Life feels a lot different than it did at this time last year. The good news is, I have spent the majority of 2020, that's right, the majority of 2020 figuring out how to sell homes safely, and it's paying off for those who are choosing to move this year. We have found two things work very well to make selling your house possible. Number one, we're implementing technology in the process. While abiding by state and local regulations as a top priority, we are making sales happen safely and effectively by leveraging key pieces of technology. We know exactly what today's buyers and sellers need and how to put the necessary digital steps in place. For example, we've capitalized on the technology buyers most helpful when deciding on a new home. We do things like virtual tours. Along with the virtual tours, we make sure all of the information is accurate and detailed in the listing information, detailed neighborhood information. These are the things that buyers are looking for. High quality listing photos. We are listening to our audience and leveraging the tools that help buyers get an initial look at a home without having to step inside. This helps to reduce the number of people entering your home, so only those who are very seriously interested need to take the next step, which is the in-person showing. When people are going to come into your home, you want to make sure that they're going to be setting appointments. Agents are facilitating safe and effective in-person showings. After leveraging technology, if you have serious buyers who want to see your house in person, agents are following the guidelines set by the National Association of Realtors and utilizing safe ways to proceed. Here are a few of them, understanding again that the agent's top priority is always to follow state and local restrictions and regulations first. Buyers are required to make an appointment. That can be done in many different ways. Once the appointment is made, buyers are required to fill out a form specifically for the purpose of entering the home. After that form is signed and agreed to, then limiting in-person activity to 2 people from same household and their agent, requiring guests to wash their hands or use an alcohol-based sanitizer, removing shoes or covering them with booties. This helps to keep things safe. Following CDC guidance on social distancing and wearing face coverings, getting comfortable with your agent, a true trusted advisor, taking these steps under the modern era safety standards might be your best plan. This is especially important if you're in a position where you need to sell your house sooner rather than later. As Jeff Tucker, senior economist for Zillow notes, homeowners who feel life is uncertain right now may think they can still get a strong price if they delay selling until they have more clarity. The catch is that waiting to sell may raise the cost of a trade-up. This fall's record low mortgage rates, which make a trade-up more affordable on a monthly basis, are not guaranteed to last. Bottom line, in this era in our lives, things are shifting quickly, and virtual strategies for sellers may be your ideal option. Opening your doors up to new approaches could be game-changing when it comes to selling your house while the market is leaning in your favor. Let's connect so you have a trusted real estate professional to help you safely and effectively navigate all that's new when it comes to making your next move. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My team and I are here and happy to help. Take care.